Hello guys, welcome again to another DIY episode, and today we are going to learn about different types of anchors, different types of hooks that you can install on the wall, because sometimes you might want to install a mirror, you might want to install an artwork, you might even want to install a sculpture from your ceiling. So what do you do if you have a 50 kg artwork and you want to install it on your wall? And you cannot just go and punch a steel nail on your wall because you don't have any assurance that that will hold. And we don't want accidents to happen where a very heavy piece is falling on somebody, So today I'm going to be telling you several ways where you can install an anchor that helps you install an artwork, install anything that you want to install in your home, at your workplace. So to know more, keep it here. So in this first assignment, we might want to install this metallic panel that I just collected. I think it's from part of an engine. So this might be a base to your sculpture or a base to your TV support on the wall, and you might want to install it on your wall. So in this case, I'm going to be using a piece of stone for giving the tutorial. So to start with, what you want to do is that you want to mark the places where you will want to install the anchors. So let's install it there. We'll install another one right at the center. Then we will install another one right across it like that. So make sure you mark the stone, and you also mark the panel on top so that you know which part goes where. Once you've done that, now we are going to come and drill through. For the two options that are on the extreme, we are going to use the plastic anchors. In this case, I have a plastic anchor and I have an extruded plastic anchor. So the extruded plastic anchor looks something like that. So I've just installed a 6 mm bit, which is a masonry drill bit. You're going to measure the depth of the anchor so that you know the depth that you want to drill. Okay, so we are going to mark it right there. And once you've done that, then now you can drill. Remember, when you're drilling, just put to the side of the hammer function so that it drills perfectly. Yeah, so for the next one, so that we drill it right where we want to drill it, we're just going to punch a hole so that it goes straight through. So it seems that the hole is a little bit tight. We can also be trying our plastic anchors, and our plastic anchors appear to be going through just okay. So hammer them gently into your stone. I think now it will fit in. So just place it in and hit it gently with your hammer. So ensure that it is flush with your wall. Now we are going to bring in our panel and ensure that every part is right on top of the hole that you drilled. Then now with your bolt, just come in and screw it in. And as for our plastic anchors, we're going to screw in a screw on each part. Then we're going to tighten it. Repeat the same with this other side. Then we are going to tighten this. Now you can see that our metallic panel is perfectly attached on our panel, and this can hold up to so many kilograms. In this next example, I'll show you how you can install a hook on your wall or on your ceiling. Maybe you want to attach your mosquito net, or you want to hang a picture, or you want to hang an artwork on your wall. So I have two examples. You can either use a plastic plug and a question hook, or an anchor and a question hook plug that is more like a bolt but with a hook. Okay, so we are going to start with the plastic plug example. Make a mark. The next step, you want to take your steel nail and your hammer, then just mark where you want your hook to rest. Then now we are going to drill. Once you've done that, now we are going to drive in our plastic anchor. Just place it on your hole and push it through, ensuring that it is on the same level as your wall. Then once you've done that, now you're going to bring in your hook and just screw it in. So what happens while you're screwing it in is that the plastic anchor will rupture and it will tighten on the walls of your wall. In that hole, it will just expand and ensure that your hook is tightly fitting on your wall. And now you can hang anything that you want from there, and even you can try and see whether it's strong enough. You can see that I'm trying to lift it with my claw hammer, and it's quite strong. So that's the first example. For the second example, I've just installed a 10 mm drill bit. Now we are going to repeat the same process as we did the first. Perfect. Now, once you place it there, gently hit it with your hammer, ensuring that you are hitting it straight, and ensure that it is flush with your wall. Then once you've done that, now you're just going to place the bolt in, then start turning it. And then again we can test it out to see whether it's strong enough. And definitely it has passed our test. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something about installation and hooks and anchors and all those terms. Okay, so I hope you'll put it into practice, and it might help you at one stage of your life or of your career. And it's my pleasure to share this to you. If you liked what you saw, leave a like, share with your friends, and consider making a subscription for greater content every week. Until next time.